You might have heard the phrase, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Now let's suppose Jack is a real boy basking in his teenage glory. He would probably ask, what's so wrong with being a dull boy? Let's see if we have an answer to his question at our next stop, physical fitness. Inactivity in childhood has been linked to reduced working memory, attention, and learning. In today's tough times, a student goes through a constant pressure of maintaining a good academic record, which can lead to detrimental effects on the mind and body. But if there's something which can save the day, it's the introduction of a well-planned physical fitness program in schools. Therefore, our health and nutrition program not just determines the physical development of a child, but also runs tests like the ABCD assessments, which keep children on their toes. Our sports and fitness programs comprise of special talent encouragement program and after-school sports program, which branch out to various team sports, combat sports, aquatic sports, individual sports, which create the perfect balance of study and play for kids like Jack and many more. That's all for today. Stick to the space to know about the next stop on our journey to Sharper. See you next time.